टीएमसी सांसद महुआ मोइत्रा ने छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस पर 9 बंगाली मजदूरों के राज्य प्रायोजित अपहरण का आरोप लगाया है। उन्होंने कहा कि बिना डिटेंशन ऑर्डर वकील या सुनवाई के मजदूरों को उठाकर जेल भेजा गया। पीसीसी चीफ दीपक बैज ने भी आरोपों का समर्थन किया।
Good evening. This is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament Krishnanagar, West Bengal. This is to bring to your urgent attention a case of state-sponsored kidnapping of 9 people by the Chhattisgarh government, by the Chhattisgarh police. 9 people from my constituency were working as masons at a private school on a construction site in Albera Para in the Kondagaon district of Bastar division in Chhattisgarh. Day before yesterday on the 12th, police came to the construction site where they were staying, picked up these 9 workers, all of whom had valid documents, took them with them. Their mobile phones have been switched off. We since have got information from the family members that they have been put in jail in Jagadalpur in the neighboring district on 128 BNSS, which is the old 109 CRPC, which is that somebody is hiding their identity with an intention to commit a crime. These are 9 bona fide workers who have gone with a labor contractor with full documentation, verification, everything. Chhattisgarh police have picked them up, put them away, their mobile phones are switched off, government of West Bengal not been informed, families not been informed. We have not got a copy of the detention order of the SDM. There was no hearing, 2 hearings are supposed to be, there was no hearing, they have not had access to a lawyer, no phone call, their mobiles are switched off. I spoke to the SP of Kondagaon, Y. Akshay Kumar IPS. I was astounded to hear what that man told me. What the SP told me was, we've had a lot of cases of rape of Adivasi women by migrant workers, so we want everyone to be verified. I said, that's a great thing, so please verify them. He said, no, we don't want them to be here. I don't know why they were put in jail. I said, to verify documents, you don't need to put someone in jail. How does section 128 apply here? He said, oh, actually, I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll release them in a day or two, and then, we'll see. So no detention order. SP is telling me that he wants them to leave. I told him, I said, you're an IPS officer. How can you tell me that you want a citizen of India who is doing legal work in another state to leave the state? Under what authority? You are from Andhra Pradesh. You're working in Chhattisgarh. Tomorrow, if they say you leave, you'll leave. What kind of nonsense is going on? This is state-sponsored terrorism, state-sponsored kidnapping. Today, as of 7:30 p.m. on the 15th of July, on the 14th of July, we have no idea where these 9 workers are. In jail in Jagadalpur, they say they have been released, no mobile phone contact. We are complaining about Donald Trump doing this in America. We are doing this to our own people in our own country. I urge the media to please take this up. This is state-sponsored kidnapping. 9 people have been kidnapped by the Chhattisgarh government, held illegally in a jail with no detention order, no hearing, no access to a lawyer.